system initializing. Verifying drone formation protocols. Synchronizing coordinates. Complete. Environmental impact minimal. Activating drone lighting systems. Front LED arrays cycling through blue and white. Confirmed. Side LEDs switching to green and red. Confirmed. Synchronization complete. All systems, go. Tesla system check in progress. Battery health, optimal. Testing the lights. Initializing blinker calibration. Front headlights, activating white beams. Confirmed. Rear lights. Confirmed. Brightness levels, back to 0. Calibration complete. Ready for activation. Tesla light show, commencing in 3, 2, 1.
I don't know the future. I didn't come here to tell you how this is going to end. I came here to tell you how it's going to begin. I'm going to show them a world without you. A world without rules and controls, without borders or boundaries. A world where anything is possible.
we witnessed the power of innovation, where technology meets imagination, shaping a brighter future. This record-breaking attempt reflects our commitment to sustainability, innovation, and collaboration, inspiring smarter, cleaner experiences. This spectacular show is powered by Electrify Europe. Amazing host for this location is The breathtaking light show is brought to you by xlightshows.io. Special thanks to the Tesla owners for making this spectacle possible. Together, we are shaping a future of progress and possibility. Thank you for being part of this unforgettable experience.